Klein Tools PowerHub 29610, the portable power station electricians won't stop talking about. Ever felt like you're juggling too many tools on the job site? Power strips tangled everywhere, work lights failing exactly when darkness hits, phone dying mid-call? You're wiring outlets while searching for a free plug. Or worse, daisy-chaining sketchy extension cords just to finish the job. Drop a comment if this chaos sounds painfully familiar. What if one rugged unit could replace all that mess? Deadlines press harder. You're crawling in dim crawl spaces, fumbling for another adapter, praying nothing trips. Stress mounts when tools cut out or devices die. Burnout creeps in when setup steals hours from actual work. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos, more weight, more headaches. Picture walking onto any site with power, light, and charging all ready to roll. Enter the Klein Tools PowerHub 29610, a breakthrough that replaces your power strip, work light, GFCI adapter, and USB charger with one rugged vertical command center. 6 surge-protected covered 15 amps outlets keep tools safe from voltage spikes and job site grit. An elevated 5000 lumen LED work light rotates from -15 to 75 degrees, flooding entire rooms or engine bays with brilliant adjustable brightness. 4 USB ports, 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C, charge phones, tablets, and Bluetooth devices simultaneously, no wall brick needed. Built-in GFCI protection delivers OSHA-compliant safety for wet or unpredictable conditions, cutting power instantly if a ground fault is detected. Overcurrent protection guards against overload, automatically resetting to keep you running. The space-saving vertical design and rugged exoskeleton handles make it portable and durable. Toss it in the truck without fear. One busy electrician said it saved his entire rough end. No house power yet, but I ran my drill, saw, vacuum, and light all day from the PowerHub. Keep reading. There's a bonus trick at the end that makes setup even faster. The Klein PowerHub doesn't just deliver power, it transforms efficiency, focus, and performance under pressure. Imagine lighting an entire workspace with a single switch, plugging in multiple high-draw tools without fear, and keeping your crew's devices charged from dawn to dusk. One expert reviewer noted, "This is one of the most well-thought-out pieces of job site support gear we've tested. Brilliant, usable light, and a full suite of protected outlets in one package." An industry analyst called it a complete site-ready solution that bridges traditional power distribution and modern device charging needs. Influencers rave. "I've thrown everything at this unit. Rain, drops, overloaded circuits, and it just keeps going. The magnetic base is genius for hands-free mounting." Real users confirmed the hype. One contractor shared, "The GFCI tripped once, likely saving me from a nasty shock. It works as advertised." Another said, "Perfect for disaster relief. We provide safe, GFCI-protected electricity for medical devices, and the light is essential for night operations." See why thousands can't stop talking about this. Which feature would save your day? The unstoppable light, the protected outlets, or the fast USB charging? Comment below and let us know. Don't wait. Join the thousands of pros, contractors, and DIYers who've already leveled up their workflow with the Klein PowerHub 29610. Limited availability and high demand means stock moves fast. Secure yours today and experience the difference. Safer power, brilliant light, and charging freedom in one rugged unit. Click now to unlock the full feature breakdown and discover the hidden cable management trick that keeps your job site tangle-free and organized between locations. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workflow today.